What's going on, guys? Landon here with LMR.com. We got a treat for you guys today. This is our 1992 black on black coupe with 14,000 miles. And for any of you doubters, no, that odometer has not rolled over. That is 14,045 miles. What we're gonna do today, we're gonna dyno the car. Pretty much it's bone stock. The only thing we can see is a pair of MagnaFlow mufflers that maybe a previous owner had welded in. Other than that, it's a 308 rear gear car. Still has the 16-inch ponies, and to our knowledge, more than likely, it has 87 octane. So still factory timing, and we're gonna turn the rollers and take a trip back to 1992. All right, guys, check it out. Our bone stock, other than the MagnaFlow mufflers, all the way down to the paper filter, 92 coupe. Looks like we made 193 horsepower at 4,600 RPM and 277 foot-pounds of torque at 3,000 RPM. Needless to say, that's about what you could expect driving your bone stock 1992 coupe. I don't even have to be a coupe, it could be a Fox Body. There isn't much to do to this car, but if you guys do want to see more of it, maybe a ride along, something like that, be sure and leave us a comment. And of course, you know what to do by now for all things Fox Body. Keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.